Good morning, students. Okay, let us move to the next topic, model number 5, symmetrical fault analysis, algorithm for short circuit, short circuit, short circuit studies. What is the algorithm? It's step-by-step methods or step-by-step solve the equation. In order to apply the 4 steps for short circuit computations developed earlier of a large system, if it is necessary to involve the systematic general algorithm so that digital computer can be used. It means using digital computer, that is algorithm, using MATLAB to solve the short circuit studies to identify the short circuit current. Consider n number of n bus system shown there systematically for figure operating in a steady load. That is a constant load. Here generator 1, generator 2 up to generator number n. It is system 1 to 2. The first step towards the short circuit computation is to obtain pre-fault voltage at all the buses. It means before fault, there is free fault voltage at all the buses, current in all the lines through the load flow study. Here the V bus equal to V1 dot, V2 dot, Vn dot. This is initially the voltages V1 dot, V2 dot, Vn dot, the equation number 1. Let us assume that there is a bus, the faulted through the faulted impedance ZF. The first fault, the bus voltage vector will be given by Vf bus equal to V dot bus plus the change in the voltage. Delta V, equation number 2. Here delta V is a vector change in the bus voltage caused by the fault. It means the next circuit diagram figure B, the network of the system figure A, for the computing the changes in the bus voltage is caused by the fault. It is x dash 1, x2 dash, double x2 dash, Vx dot, Zf fault. Next reactance x dot, xdn. Direct access reactance. Step number 2, we draw the passive Thevenin's network of the system with the generator replaced by the transient and subtransient reactance. Here transient and subtransient reactance, the xd1 x2 dash with vx dot x21 subtransient reactance. Step number 3, we have to excite the positive passive Thevenin's network with vx dot series with zf. This series volt Vx dot in the series with the fault impedance. The vector delta V, the compare the bus voltage of this network, delta V equal to Z bus into Jf. The fault impedance. Z bus, what is Z bus? Z11, Zn, Zn1, Zn. The bus impedance matrix of the passive Thevenin's network. ZF bus current injection vector. It is injection vector. What is ZF? 0, 0, IF. Equation number 4. The substitute the equation 4 in 3, we get RH bus. Change in VR, that is minus ZRR IF, the fault injected current. Step number 4, voltage at rth bus under the fault is VRF. V is the voltage, initial voltage, change in the voltage equal to VR dot minus ZRR IF, equation number 6. However, this voltage must be equal VRF ZF IF. It is a fault. VRH fault voltage, fault impedance, fault current, equation number 7. Here comparing equation 6 and 7, the fault current IF equal to VR ZFI ZRR. V delta VI minus ZIR IF. VIF V dot ZIR IF. I equal to 1 to n number of bus. Here F equal to IF from the equation 1, VF equal to V dot minus ZIR VR ZRR plus ZF, equation number 10. We get VRF value. ZF by ZR, ZF VR dot. It means including the fault impedance. Previously V by Z, here VRF. ZF, ZRR plus ZF VR dot. Equation number 11. The above relations is VI dot. The pre-fault bus voltage are assumed shown the load flow study Z bus matrix if the short circuit study network figure B can be obtained inversal of the Y bus matrix. It should be observed that short circuit study of the network figure B different. Here calculation of the first fault generator, previous reactance is a generator from the corresponding load flow study network by the fact that shunt branches corresponding the generator reactance do not appear in the load flow study network. Here generator Xg, generator reactance, generator current, here also same, only change with Eg, Xg, Ig, F fault through the fault. From the load flow study figure C, free fall generator output PAGI QGI. This is a real power, reactive power. I dot equal to PGI minus JQGI by VI dot. Free fall generator output PGI. EGI dot equal to VI plus JXGI IGI dot. Equation number 4. From the short circuit study, VIF is obtained if the follows from figure D, that IGIF EGI minus VIF XGI. Equation number 15. Okay, stop the video. Remaining next video lecture. Thank you.